you guys have been following us on this project, and today we finally commissioned this project. So for the past few days now, we've been trying to create an expansion on this system, and why this system is quite unique is because that we needed to merge a different set of pylontech 5000 and the US3000 together. Well, it's very unusual to merge a system. For example, this first US3000 has been in use for 3 years, and these were newly bought. So for us to be able to merge them together and have a good system working, we have to install this first 5000 US5000 first and have them balance themselves using the BMS system, and then do the same for the former US3000 that already existing. Then we will now use the same BMS communication cable to balance all of them together, and it took us about like 14 hours to do that. So allow them balance. So then we added an MPPT here to make sure we share the system, because up there we have also 3 sets of solar arrays that enters in every set of MPPT, and here is the Schneider SW. So why this system is unique is because it has a Connex SCP and the Combus. What the Connex SCP does is it helps you manage the interface for this and this and this and this. How will you feel if you have to be able to rename and set the parameter for this charge controller through the SCP and copy to the remaining ones? Isn't that cool? And then we use this communication cable to be able to pass all that information. So you can modify settings from here through the SCP and pass through the inverter, and do the same for the charge controllers. And you're able to monitor what enters in every charge controller through the context SCP. So, and this is the Combus. It helps you connect to the internet and also manage the communication cable. So that is just what we've been up to for some time. So, and like I said, pylontech, these batteries are quite very unique. It's very, very unusual for you to have a different set of, see, this is the US5000 and this is the US3000. There are 2 different sets of batteries. This is the 4.5 kilowatt and this has the 3.5. So merging them is like a mismatch, but because the battery were very unique, it allows us to be able to match them through the BMS communication, and you can see they are working uniformly. So it's very good. So if you're thinking of having to invest in something that is very lasts long, you can try this.